Alrighty, recording the sewer line here at 3305 East Olive Street. The date is October 2nd, 2020. I'm making this recording from the clean out here on the south side of the home. We're going to come back from the main here and wrap all the way back up to the house. So what we're looking at there is the Seattle City main flowing by. I'm going to come back from there, going to get a look at all the pipe work that's been done here at the property. So coming back into a 6-inch new flow installed liner right there. So we're coming back through our liner that we put in here under the road. Here's the repair that we made right near the sidewalk. So there we dug up a section by the sidewalk where it was broken, installed a liner, had to dig a little bit under the street. Coming back into liner now as we're coming up along the sidewalk kind of area. This is more 6-inch liner. Now we're coming back into liner now. So this is now 4-inch. Upside down. So we're back in a 4-inch diameter liner. We're coming back up towards the corner of the house now. And back into the plastic pipe we installed over there. There's a clean out riser over there. And then back into 4-inch pipe again, 4-inch liner I should say. And here's the end of the liner. You see is lipped right into the plastic from this clean out that was installed by a different company. So this green pipe is new pipe, but it wasn't installed by Bob Oates. The Bob Oates liner was the end of that blue. And there's the clean out recording this from. And that's the end of the video.